What sort of trade-offs are you willing to make with the privacy of your data? Are you even aware of the ones you're already making? The internet is a wonderland, and a hellscape too. It's worked its way into every aspect of our lives. We've spent the past decade willingly handing over our data to big tech companies and small companies alike. Our pictures, location data, birthdays, work address, all for what? Connectivity and convenience. As AI proliferated, our online behavior began to get more personalized. The like button, algorithmically driven news feeds, and hyper-targeted ads, all designed to cater to your unique preferences. But again, at what cost? In 2022, privacy took a massive hit as the Supreme Court quashed abortion rights, and suddenly, overnight, your location and health data were being used as evidence in court. The tech scene is now a booming hub of AI tools, plugins, and extensions, each promising innovation and convenience. But should we blindly trust them? Probably not. AI tools may make your life easier, and mine too. But what's happening to your personal data behind the scenes? That's a question worth asking. So before installing any new AI tool, ask the people who made it the following questions. And don't worry, we made a link and shiny image you can share with them. It's in the description. Number 1, what data is this tool collecting? Number 2, how are you storing my data? Number 3, how is my data encrypted? Number 4, what safeguards do you have in place in case of a data theft, leak, or breach? Number 5, who has access to my data? Number 6, why do they have access to my data? Number 7, who are you sharing my data with? Number 8, who has decision-making power around the use of my data? Number 9, is it being used as training data too? Number 10, if so, is it being anonymized and how? And bonus question time, are you tracking me across the internet? These are basic but crucial questions that any developer, big or small, should be able to answer. They aren't perfect, but they're simple, self-explanatory, and grounded in data ethics. And remember, the goal isn't to abandon AI. There's no going back now, but to use it responsibly. Every one of us plays a part in holding these tools accountable to protect all of our data. With AI rapidly changing our world, it's crucial to stay informed and ask the right questions. So join us in making this conversation bigger. Subscribe to our channel, sign up for our newsletter, and stay updated on the latest in the world of AI and more. Thanks for watching, and thanks for giving a shit.